Hey, what's up, guys? Chester from my RC here. I have a confession. I assembled the DC10 all the way through after I stopped that live broadcast. I stopped at step 1 and I went home. I went to bed, then went to work, and then got home and just finished the car. The assembly went well. The kit is very high quality. There was only a couple of steps in the instructions that weren't super clear, or like one screw that they never tell you to put in but needs to be put in, and just like some assembly order stuff. But you know, what do you expect from a first run of a car, a brand new car? And it was really easy to put together and very high quality. I'm super excited to get this thing out on the track Sunday. So if you're in North County, San Diego, why don't you meet up with me at Coastal RC Drift in the San Marcos Mall inside the Ninja Exchange towards the back. If you don't have your own drift car, if you're just into RC and you've been checking out my channel, you can pop onto one of their rental cars for, I think he does half an hour for $20 or something. It's pretty cool. If you're an experienced driver, I'll let you drive this DC10 from Team Associated. I am really excited about it, guys. Alright, so sorry about not having a build video, but here's a montage of the car and the equipment I used to put it together. And it's late o'clock on a Tuesday, so it's time for me to hit the hay after this. Alright, guys, peace. Alright, my YouTubers, thanks for popping in. Thanks for checking out my channel. Thanks for making it all the way through my video. If you liked it, you know what to do. Don't make me beg, please. Sunday, Coastal Drift RC, Carlsbad Mall. Be there or don't. See you guys.